let's start by looking at two common types first. The life insurance and the personal accident insurance. Sounds very familiar, right? But actually, they are quite different. A lot of people confuse it. So let me tell you a story. I have this client, we call it Ming lah. Ming really sayang his wife. So every month he works very hard and pays his bill, take care of everything. One day he thought of, if anything happened to me, at least my wife have something to protect and settle the house loan and continue her life easier. So he decided to buy an insurance. But here's the thing, he bought a personal accident, not a life insurance, thinking that they're having the same benefits and the same thing. Then few years later, Ming suddenly fell sick. Something serious to Ming, but not accident. Sadly, he passed away. His wife tried to claim the insurance, but the insurance company told her, no, this is not accident related, it's not covered. She was really heartbroken, you know. Not just from losing the husband, but also realizing the payout she was expecting to settle the house loan tak boleh keluar. Because personal accident insurance only pay if death is due to accident, but not sakit. If Ming have buy the life insurance, right, he would have covered his house loan already. Even though if touch wood, let's say Ming passed away because of suicide, after a year waiting period, in the life policy, he still can pay out.
By the way, do you know that if your policy has any life insurance or hibah for the full product, there is a suicidal clause. So in insurance, when it comes to contract, we call it clauses. So each of the clauses, they stipulate something. One of the suicidal clause that I mentioned, it states that in the first year, the first 365 days, if you suicide, the insurance company will not pay the payout. But what if it is after a year? Then yes, they will pay out.
Just like I said, if it's Ming, right, even his suicide, if it's he buy a life insurance, he able to get a payout. But now if it's a personal accident, no payout. So you see the difference or not? So life insurance is more complete. It covers cause of death like sickness, old age, and yes, there's even suicide after the waiting period. Sometimes our intention is good, but kalau salah beli policy, nanti coverage pun salah.
But I have one question, Maurice. When Ming bought this policy, right, does he know that it's a accident policy?
He thought accident is actually serve as life insurance.
So he has never reviewed his policy.
Correct. That's why, right, it's super important, right, to review your policy, and even better to review your loved one from time to time. Sit down with your agent, ask the right question. What is it cover? What is really the benefit? How do you claim it? Make sure the coverage is still fits your needs from time to time.